If you're new to this channel, welcome to the Christian Hardscaper. I hope you enjoyed this short plowing video of us clearing the snow off of this driveway. This is in Massachusetts, and we're plowing the blizzard of 2022, Winter Storm Kenan. Depending on where we plowed in this area, you got anywhere between 15 and 18 inches of snow. Along with all this snow plow content that we have on our channel, the channel is also filled with landscape construction projects, including hardscape and masonry installations. We specialize in concrete paver and natural stone patios, walkways, walls, staircases. So check out the channel and see all the videos we have to offer. And if you enjoy it, like I said, hit that subscribe button for a lot more content like this. This one down. Benny, that one's all shoveled up, huh, bro?
All shoveled up.
Front walk's done. I mean, really, though, that's a lot of snow. Front walk's done. Back porch is done. And this is the snow just from the garage doors, so I'm gonna clean this up with the plow and we're out of here. One heck of a day, guys. One heck of a day. Alright, this driveway is all set. There was a lot of snow to plow on this day. 38 driveways we did. We did them all at least twice and a handful of times just to keep up with the snowfall. So a lot of content, guys. Check out the channel, hit the subscribe, and enjoy the other videos as well.
Out in stormy weather, I might have the blues, but nothing ever stopped me from dusting off my shoes. You might think you'll see me falling to the ground, but I threw up my umbrella
Welcome back, Channel 5 News. Benny's on the spot. What's the weather like out there, Benny?
Cold.
Cold, windy, and snowy?
Getting snow. That doesn't seem to stop. Clouds are almost touching the ground.
Happy face to keep me moving on.